But yeah, you can see off to the left this pin-like object. And then on the right, you see two white rectangles. It's the same shape that this pin-like object will fit in. All right. So this is very interesting stuff. Another thing, okay, the screen, it appears to be one of these fold-up, malleable screens, LCDs. It's some type of fold-up or roll-up LCD, possibly. It may be holographic, but yeah, the screen, it appears to be one of these new type of foldable LCDs that are on some of these high-end phones, like the Motorola Razr revamp, or the Samsung model, and some others. Very interesting. There's some clues here as to the year that this will happen. My guess is, as of this recording, this type of technology, it already exists. I don't know if it's all been put together, but there's some clues here as to when this is going to be in the marketplace, I believe. And possibly 2021, 2023, 2032, something like that. About technology, look at this. This type of thing, this could exist today. I believe that this item here is some type of smartphone successor. This will replace smartphones, quite possibly. Very interesting. So whose stuff is this? What's going on here? And it shows some other types of technology that was developed in the 40 years following this movie being released, in the early parts of this movie and other parts of this movie. And so this item may be something that is developed. Some other conjectures on this piece of hardware. May be optical. It may project some type of holographic image, some image onto your eye. Yeah, it's really hard to say. The screen in the middle, it looks like maybe it's foldable. There's some graphing down on the bottom section. It may involve graphene. I don't know. It's going to be expensive if that's the case. Yeah, you can see the guy's arm here, so we'll assume that it involves some future iteration of the ARM microprocessor. If they're sending the subject to this scene, okay, it implies some kind of backdoor data mining of some kind of metadata attrition, something like that. The probe droid sends back the message to the Empire. It's out scouting around visually with sensors for the rebels. Sends a message back to the Empire. Yeah, let's hope there's no backdoors or no surreptitious tasking of this technology in the hands of normal people. But yeah, I mean, backdoors and computer hardware and software, this is a reality in 2020. A lot of the mainstream stuff has them. Some of it's still secret. This is a problem. Who owns the technology? All right, you got these neat futuristic devices, okay, these magical devices. You have these things in your possession. Who really owns these things? Is it you? The software company, the hardware manager? Something to think about. Yeah, it looks neat, but it's spying on you, spying on your world, your experiences. some things to think about, okay?